Good evening to everyone. Welcome to My Skills, My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of RRB Group D, which was held on 22nd, which was held on 22nd August 2022 in Shift 2. We are also discussed some previous question papers of RRB Group D in previous sessions. Especially, we are focusing on aptitude and reasoning questions. In this session, we will discuss some questions in the paper of RRB Group D, which was held on 22nd August 2022. Okay, shall we start? Okay, right. See the question here. The question is on direction sense test. So, before going to discuss the question, first of all you need to draw directions. East, west, north, south. Okay, so see the question here. Starting from his house, Varun walks 60 meters towards north. Okay, so just locate one point here anyway. So this is the point, Varun house. Okay, so starting from his house, Varun walks 60 meters towards north. So north towards north, 60 meters towards north. Okay, and he then takes, here he walks 60 meters. He then takes a right turn and walk 30 meters. Here to here, he takes right turn and walk 30 meters. Okay, he then takes a right turn and walk 90 meters. Here onwards, he take right turn and then walk 90 meters. 90 meters. Okay, right. Finally, he take another right turn. So he is facing south. From south, uh, he takes another right turn and walk 30 meters. So here to here he walk 30 meters. Okay. So these 30 meters, the distance, and here is the distance same. Here 90 meters is there. Here 60 meters is there. So here to here, the distance is 30 meters. Here to here, the distance is 30 meters. So what is our question? How far and in which direction is Varun now from his house? So here the house, how far means 30 meters. Here Varun is there. Here Varun is there. Here Varun is there. So 30 meters towards south. So here south. Okay, 30 meters south. Okay, so how far? See the question. How far and in which direction is Varun now from his house? So here house is there. So from here to here is south direction 30 meters. See the option 1. Option 1 25 meters east is wrong. Option 2 30 meters north is wrong. Option 3 25 meters south is wrong. Option 4 30 meters south is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Okay, see the question here. Once see the question. Which of the following is not a true statement? Okay, which of the following is not a true statement? See, first one is all rectangles are parallelograms. Yes, it is a true statement. So why? If see here, first option, all rectangles are parallelograms. Why? Because opposite side distance is same. Okay, you see here, uh, this is a rectangle. The distance between two opposite sides here, here to here, is same anywhere. So here to here, the distance is same. Okay, right. Next, see the next second one. So it is a true. So we need to find which of the following is not a true statement. So one is a true statement. Why? Because all rectangles are parallelograms. Okay, opposite side distance is same. So it is true. Okay, next second one. Sum sum of any pairs of adjacent angles of a rectangle is 180. Yes, it is also true. See here, a rectangle. See, this is a rectangle. So here the degree is 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. So sum of any pair of adjacent. So 90 plus 90, 180, 90 plus 90, 180, 90 plus 90, 180. So it is a true. So suppose we are taking this is angle A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 is true. Okay, right. So what is the question? Sorry, third option. Diagonals of a rectangular do not bisect each other. So see here, these are the diagonals. See, this is a bisect at some point. Diagonals of rectangular intersects at some point. Okay, so AC see here, A, B, C, D. So AC and BD, AC and BD intersect each other. So as per our question, which of the following is not true statement means option 3. Option 3 is a not true statement. Okay, option 3 is a not true statement. So for this question, option 3 is a correct option. Okay, right. Next question. Right. Next question. Mm, See the question. The total surface area of a cylinder of radius 70 of radius 70 meters and height 140 meters. So we know the surface total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, we know the formula. The total surface area of a cylinder, we know the formula, that is 2 pi r 2 pi r into r plus h. So one for the same type of the question is asked in RRB Group D. Okay, in previous paper. So one more time the question is repeated with different values. Okay, in the same question is already asked. The total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so 2 pi r into r plus h. They given r value directly. They given r is equal to 70 meters, and they also given height. They also given height is h. Height is nothing but h is given 140 meters. R is nothing but radius. Radius is given 70 meters. So we need to find total surface area of cylinder. So 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2, what is meant by pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equal to 70. So r 70 plus h is equal to 140. Okay, 7 ones, 7 tens. Okay, see here, 2 into 22 into 10 into 70 plus 140 to 10. So 2 into 22 44, 44 into 10 440 into 210. Once just see the option 440 into 200, we get 88,000 approximately. I am not saying exactly. See, 440 into, here I am taking 200, we get the value is more than 88,000. Okay, so which option have the value more than 88,000? So option 1 is less than 88,000. That why it is wrong. Option 2 is also wrong, less than 88,000. Option 3 is also wrong, less than 88,000. Only one option is there, that is greater than 88,000. So option 4. So let us do what is the value of 440 into 210. So 440 into 210, we get double zeros. 21 into 44, we get 924. So 924 double zero. So for 40, 440 into 210, we get 292400. Yes, already. So before doing this calculation, we clicked the correct option. Why? Because by taking approximation 440 into 210, we get 8,000, 88,000. So by seeing option, all 1 2 3 options are less than 88,000. So damn surely we can say that these three options are wrong. So only one option is there, that is option 4. By having this knowledge, we can click the option 4 is correct. Okay, 92,400 is correct answer. Okay, right. So we are seeing the questions like area of a cylinder. Okay, this type of based on area, you expect one question from the base of area. Okay, right. Next question. Right. Here, see the question. The mean proportional between the numbers p and q. The mean proportional between the numbers p and q is 8. Okay. Which of the following pairs of numbers can be the values of p and q? So what is mean by mean proportional means, so the data is like p is to, here they given the 8. Okay, so p is to 8 is equal proportionate 8 is to q. This is the actual form is there. So they given the value. Okay, so p by 8 is equal to 8 by q. Okay, so pq is equal to 8 square. They given like this, root pq is equal to 8. They given this. So mean proportional, they given this. Mean proportional between the numbers p and q is 8. So root pq is equal to 8. So p into q is equal to 8 square. So 8 square is nothing but 64. So product of two numbers uh, is equal to 64. See the option, which option have get the 64. So if you see the option 1, 12 into option 1, 12 is p, we are considering the 12 is p and 16 is q. So 12 into 16 we get 182. Okay, so 12 into 16 we get 12, 16 tens 160 plus 32, 192. So this is wrong. So 10 6 is 60, this is also wrong. 16 4 is 64, yes, this is correct. 12 3 is 36, this is wrong. So, they given this information. The mean proportional between P and Q is here. They've given the mean proportional between P and Q. The mean proportional between P and Q is 8. So this is the given information. So PQ is equal to 8 square. 8 square is equal to 64. So product of P into Q we need to get 64. So which option will get mean 16 4 is 64 is correct. Option 3 is correct answer. So next question. Right. The question for a group data, if xi is the class mark and frequency fi is the corresponding frequency, then by direct method a mean x is given by. So there are three types of methods: direct method, indirect method. Okay, so direct method, indirect method is there. So here we need to find mean. So let us discuss. So here xi values is there. Xi is nothing but mid values of class interval. Here frequency values is there. So we need to find the mean value. So we product the xi into fi. Okay. So we need if you want to uh, if you want to calculate mean, so here we do the summation fi into xi, and we also add the total frequency is nothing but summation fi. So mean is equal to x bar is equal to, we can write that is summation fi xi by summation fi. In some cases there may be chance of asking summation fi xi by n, capital N. So capital N is also nothing but a total frequency. So summation fi is nothing but total frequency. So option 1 itself is correct. Option 1 itself correct. Next question. Right. See the question here. Uh, the following question is based. The following question is based on six four-digit numbers. The following question is based on six four-digit numbers. So they given the numbers here: 834754869627 491387216413. Okay. For example, 2456. Okay. 6 digit in the units place, 5 digits in tens place, 4 digit in the hundred place, 2 digit in the thousands place. Okay, right. So what will be the resultant if the digits of if the digit in the hundred place of largest number? What is the largest number here? This is the largest number. 9627 is the largest number, and hundred place of the largest number. Six is the hundred place of the largest number. Six. Okay, six is the hundreds place of largest number is added to the digit thousand place to the smallest number. So what is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. 4913 is the smallest number. So 4913. In that 4 is in the third place, thousands place. So just add this. We get 10. So the question is, what will be the resultant if the digit in the hundred place of the largest number is added to the digit in thousand place of the smallest number? So six is the hundred place of the largest number. Four is the thousands place in the smallest number. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So option 1 itself is correct answer. Option 1 is correct. Next, see the question. The average of first 12 multiples of 11. So the average of first 12 multiples of 11. So there are different methods. I will give a simple technique. So 11 table, if you see the 11, 11 22, 33, so on. The average of first 12 multiples. So 11 tens, 110, 11 11s, 121, 11 12s, 132. So we need to find the average of first. These are the numbers of first 12 multiples of 11. So just average the first number and last number. Okay. So 11 plus 132 by 2. We get the average of first 12 multiples of 11. Last number plus first number by 2. Okay. So 143. Okay. 143, 11 plus 132, we get 143. So 143 by 2, so 2 ones, 2 sevens, 2 ones, 2 fives. So 71.5 is the average of first 12 multiples of 11. There are some other techniques is there. So I think this is the simple way to calculate correct answer in less time. So option, see the options. Which option is correct? Option 3, 71.5 is correct. So this looks like arithmetic progression. The difference between two numbers is same. Okay. So right, next question. See the question here. Seven surgeons W, seven surgeons W, X, Y, Z, A, B, and C were sitting around a square table. Okay. So while sitting around a square table. So facing the center, facing center, four of them sitting or at the corners. Okay, four are sitting at corners. Four are sitting at corners facing center. Okay, facing center, while three sitting at the exact center of the sides. So three are sitting center, between center. Okay, so right, three are sitting between center. One of right. Okay, so one of the center sides was empty. So there are seven friends. Here we have eight allotments. There are seven friends. Okay, seven surgeons. So see at see here. C at one of the corner, okay, was immediate next to B and Y. So suppose I am allocate C here. One side is B, one side is B, okay, here, and another side is Y. So there may what one more possibility also will come. Okay, so see I am writing roughly. So if you write C here, we get B here, so we get Y here. Okay, all are facing towards center. Okay, all are facing towards a center. All are facing towards center. Okay, right. Next, see that Z was immediately next to the both of B and X. So Z was between B and X. Here we can write here. So and here Z can be written as here Z X. Okay, right. Right. See here. Next, A was the immediate right of X. So A was immediate right of X. A was immediate right of X means if you write here, here the place of A will come according to the question. So this assumption is wrong. So we can write here A. So A is immediate right of X. So A is immediate right of X. So only one center place is pending. So all three pots filled and only one value is there, that is W. So one is empty place. So this is the empty place. Okay, right. See what is the question? Which surgeon was third to the right of W? So here W is there. Third to the W. First, second, third. So B. So which surgeon was thought to the right of W means B is the thought to the right of W. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. I hope it was clear. Okay, next question. See the question. Time and work. 51 men, 50, 51 men complete can complete a work in 12 days. Okay, very good. How, oh, sorry, 4 days after they started working, six more men joined them. So how many days will they work now? Take the complete the remaining work. Okay, right. See here, 51 men into 12. We get the one mark. If the work is done by one person, we get the total work. So 51 into 12. So 51 into 12 we get uh, 51 into 10 510 50 in 51 into 102, so 6 1 2. Okay, right? So right, so 51 into 12 we get 612. So this is the value that total men work. Total men work. So 4 days after, okay. So 4 days after, how many members are there? Six men are joined. So for 4 days, how much of work is done? So 51 into 4. Okay, 51 into 4. 54 is a 200. So 50 4 is a 200. 51 into 4. 204 work is completed. Okay, right. So remaining 51 plus 6 members is added. 57 is there. Okay, so 57 into how many days we don't know, into x is equal to what value will come means 612 minus 204 is there. So here we can write 8 0408. Okay, so 408. So 57 into x is equal to 408. See the question, it is a simple logic. So 51, see here, 51 men can complete a work in 12 days. So if we product 51 into 12, we get total men work. So after 4 days means already 51 men into 4 days completed 204 men work. So total men work is 612. Out of 204 is completed. So remaining men work is equal to 408. So remaining men work will complete in how many days? So after joining six men, the number will become 57. So 57 into days is equal to remaining men work. So x is equal to 408 by 57. Okay. So 19 threes. So sorry. Right. See here. Three ones, three nines. Okay. Three ones, three threes, and three six. So 136 by 19. So the option is in mixed fraction. So 19 sevens, 133. 19 sevens, 133. So 7 here, 3 by 19. So 7 3 by 19. So 51. See here, 51 men can complete a work in 12. We get 612 is man work. So in that 5 days, after 5 days means in that in that 4 days work is completed. 51 into 4 we get 204. So subtract these values we get 408. So 40 men work, 408 men work is there. So that work was done by 57 men, means total remaining work by total men. So 408 by 57 we get 73 by 19. So option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Next question. Right, see the question. From the following numbers, 51, 52, 53, 100, so on up to 100, find the sum of the smallest and greatest prime numbers. So we need to find sum of the greatest and smallest prime numbers. If you see that, so from starting, so 51 is not a prime number, 52 is also not prime number, 53 is a prime number. So prime number means only one factor is that is one is there, no other number is divided. Okay, divisible. So 53, and we see from the lasting onwards. So 100 is a not prime number, 99 is a not prime number, 98 is also not prime number, 97 is a prime number. Okay, so these are the highest and lowest prime numbers. So if you see that addition 53 plus 97, we get 150. Option 1 is correct. Okay, option 1 is correct. So next question, shall we move to the next question? Right. Right. See the question. What is the angle traced by the minute hand in 48 minutes? In previous live session, one question is asked, what is the angle traced by our hand? Okay, here, what is the angle traced by minute hand in 48 minutes? So, in 1 minute, minute hand gains 6 degrees. So, here they are asking in 48 minutes. So, 48 into 6, 6 8 is 48, 6 4 is 24. So, 288. So, option 2 is correct. Okay, option 2 is correct. Next question. So, which of the following number will replace the question mark in the question? Okay, see here the question is given 8 comma 9 comma 20 comma 63 comma 256. So if you see the last session, same type of question and same type of logic is given. So here the logic is 8 into 1 plus 1 we get 9. So 8 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. And next 9 into 2 plus 2. 9 2s 18 plus 2 we get 20. So here to here into 2 plus 2. Okay. So 20 into 3 plus 3. 20 into 3 60 plus 3 we get 63. So 20 into 3 plus 3. So here 63 into, sorry, I will write here 63 into 4 plus 4. So 63 into 4. So 252 plus 4 we get 256. Okay, we get 256. So 256 into next automatically see here into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4. Next number is into 5 plus 5. So just of this number and get multiply with 10. So 250 in by 2 means 1 7, sorry, 1, sorry, 1 second, 252, 256 by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 eights, so 128. So 128, so 128 into 10, 1280 plus 5, 1285. So here to here, sorry, here into 4 plus 4, here to here into 5 plus 5. So into 5 plus 5, 1285. Same logic of the question is given in last live session. Okay, so right, option 3 is correct. Next question. So x square, the equation x square plus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0 can be written as. So, so while checking options, it takes some time. So I will give a simple technique. If you see the option 1, we get minus 7x. Okay, so x into x square, x into minus 6 minus 1 into x minus 1. Here we get minus in the terms. Here a coefficient of b is plus and the constant is plus. So here we get one coefficient is minus. Here also we have minus. Here also one coefficient will get a minus. Here also there minus in the option 3. So we get here also one coefficient minus. So all three are wrong. If you see that here x plus 1, x plus 6 is there, the coefficient didn't get a minus in any value, any time. Okay, so directly by seeing itself, we can get option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. So you see the question, same type of question will ask in RRB Group D in several times. Okay, uh, select the set in which the number are related in a way as the numbers of the following sets. Here the set is given here 36, 78, 30. See, see that here 36 is a perfect square of some number. So what is the logic is here? First root of first number into third number is equal to first number into third number is equal to middle number. So root 36 is equal to 6. 6 into 13 we get 78. So I hope you are getting root first number into last number. We get a second number. Similar way, 121 uh, comma 77 comma 7. So root of first number into third number. 121 is nothing but 11 square. Okay. So 11 into 7 we get 77. So I hope it is clear what is the logic is there in the sets. Root first number into third number. So if you see that here, all the first numbers in the options are exactly square roots. Okay, so let us check the number. Okay, so root, if you see here, option 1, root 36 into 10, we get 60. So this is not correct answer. Option 1 is wrong. Option 1 is wrong. So next question, see the next question. See the next question. Root 64. First number is root 64 into 12. 8 into 12 we get 96, but here 85 is there. So this is also wrong. Here see the third option. Root 9 into first number into third number we get 3 into 18. 18 threes. Okay, not 56. Okay, so this is also wrong answer. Right, next, root 49 means root first number into 9 we get root 49 is 7. 7 nines 63. Yes, option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. The equivalent fraction of 4.2222 so on. So at least we are seeing one question based on conversion of a recurring decimal fraction into simple fraction. Okay, already we discussed. So I will give a simple technique. Just write 4 plus 0.222 can be written as 4.222. So 4 plus 0.22 can be written as 0.2 bar. Okay, right. So 4 plus 2 bar can be written as 2 by 9. Okay, right. So 0.22 bar can be written as 2 by 9. So take the LCM, 9, 36 plus 2, we get 38 by 9. Okay, right. Option 1 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. So I thought these are the some questions which was asked in RRB Group D. So if you want to see more videos based on these topics, RRB Group D, not only RRB Group D, banking, placements, SSC. So just follow and like, share our YouTube channel, My Skills, My Future. So thank you for watching.